Most people walk into Dollar Tree in June and walk out with paper plates, dish soap, and a vague feeling that they probably missed something. They did. Every single month, Dollar Tree's shelves shift. Seasonal stock rotates in. Certain items hit their absolute peak value window and then disappear before most people even realize they were there. June specifically is one of the most underrated months to be inside a Dollar Tree if you know what you are actually looking for. And right now, most people don't. Stick around because item number 6 is something I have been buying every June for 3 years running, and every single time I tell someone about it, they go immediately and buy everyone on the shelf. Hey there, welcome to Nature Nest TV, where we find the smartest ways to get the most out of every dollar you spend on your home and garden. If you are new here, perfect timing. You just found the channel that tells you what to actually buy, not just what exists. And if you have been watching for a while, you already know we do not pad these lists with obvious filler. Every item on this list earns its place. Let's get into it. 10 things you should be buying at Dollar Tree right now in June 2026. Before we start, if spending less and getting more out of your home and garden is something you care about, hit that subscribe button right now. Nature Nest TV drops fresh ideas every single week, and you genuinely do not want to miss what is coming next. Alright, let's talk about what is worth your money this month. Item number 1. Solar stake lights. June is the single best month of the entire year to buy solar stake lights from Dollar Tree, and the reason is simple. Maximum daylight hours means maximum charging time, which means these budget solar lights actually perform at their genuine best right now. The longer the days, the longer and brighter these lights run each night. Here is what most people miss about Dollar Tree's solar lights. Individually, they are modest. Clustered correctly, they are genuinely magical. Buy 10 or 12 at once. Do not line them up in a row along your path like every instruction tells you to. Instead, cluster 3 together near your largest planter. Tuck 2 at the base of a garden feature. Place a group of 4 at varying heights near your seating area by pushing some deeper into the soil and leaving others higher. That clustering and height variation is what transforms a dollar store solar light into something that looks like a professional lighting designer made decisions about your garden. The effect at night is warm, layered, and dimensional in a way that single, evenly spaced lights can never achieve. June sunshine charges them fully every day without fail. Buy them now while the days are long and the shelves are fully stocked. Item number 2. Outdoor tablecloths and plastic sheeting. Dollar Tree's outdoor tablecloths hit the shelves in volume right now, and most people buying them are planning to use them on tables at summer cookouts. That is one use. Here are 3 better ones that most people in your neighborhood have not thought of yet. Laid directly on your garden beds, they create a soil warming and solarization effect that transfers heat deep into the ground and dramatically accelerates the growth rate of warm season plants still establishing themselves in early summers. Draped over tender plants on unexpectedly cool June nights, they provide frost and chill protection that can save an entire planting in one evening. Cut into strips and used as a weed suppression layer under gravel or mulch, they extend the life of your ground cover and reduce maintenance for the rest of the season. At $1.25 each, you can cover an entire raised bed for under $5. The same coverage from a garden center would cost you $30 to $50 in purpose-made materials that do not perform meaningfully better than a plastic tablecloth laid flat and held down at the corners with a few river rocks. Item number 3. Mesh and net bags. Dollar Tree's mesh laundry bags and net produce bags are in full stock right now. And if you grow anything that needs harvesting, curing, or storing between now and autumn, this is the month to load up on them. They cost almost nothing, and the alternatives from specialist garden suppliers cost considerably more for the same basic function. Here is the range of what these do in a garden context. Harvest garlic, onions, or shallots, and load them straight into mesh bags for curing. Hang the bags in any covered area with good airflow, and your harvest cures evenly from every direction without the rot and mold problems that flat surface curing always risks. Use the finer mesh bags to protect ripening fruit on the vine from birds and insects without blocking sunlight or airflow to the developing fruit. Store harvested seed heads in labeled bags through summer so your seed saving stays organized and nothing gets confused. The June timing matters here because this is when the first summer harvests start coming in, and having these bags ready before you need them means you are not scrambling to find a solution when your garlic is already out of the ground and drying. Item number 4. Foam floor tiles and kneeling pads. Garden kneelers from specialist suppliers run $15 to $40 for what is fundamentally cushioned foam in a shape that is convenient for one specific purpose. Dollar Tree's foam puzzle floor tiles from the children's section do the identical job for a fraction of the cost, and they do several additional jobs that a purpose-made garden kneeler cannot. June means long hours in the garden, planting out summer crops, maintaining beds that are hitting their peak growth period, weeding around plants that are establishing, harvesting the first of the season's produce. All of that means time on your knees on hard ground, and your joints will register every hour of it by evening. 2 foam tiles connected together give you a generous kneeling surface that is thick enough to genuinely protect your knees through a full day of garden work. They are waterproof, so wet ground does not soak through. They rinse clean in seconds with a hose. They dry almost instantly. And when they eventually wear out, you will have spent $3 total over whatever period of time it took for heavy daily use to exhaust them. Buy a pack now before the summer garden season hits full intensity, and you find yourself kneeling on bare soil regretting that you did not. Item number 5. Zip ties and garden twine. This sounds mundane until you are halfway through tying in a sprawling tomato plant with the last inch of twine you own and 3 more plants still waiting. June is when everything in the garden grows fastest. Warm temperatures, long days, and established root systems mean your climbing plants, your vining vegetables, and your tall flowering plants are all pushing upward and outward simultaneously, and they all need support and training right now. Dollar Tree carries both zip ties and natural garden twine, and buying a substantial supply of both in June costs almost nothing and saves you the specific frustration of running out of something essential at the exact moment your garden needs it most. Zip ties for securing canes, stakes, and structural supports. Natural twine for tying stems to supports in a way that is gentle enough not to damage soft plant tissue. Here is the thing about consumable garden supplies that most people do not factor into their garden budget correctly. You will always use more than you think you need. Whatever amount you are considering buying right now, double it. The excess will not go to waste. It will be waiting for you the next time you need it, and it will cost you nothing additional because you bought it at Dollar Tree in June when the shelves were fully stocked. Item number 6. This is the one I mentioned at the beginning. Glass vases and cylinder containers. Dollar Tree's glass vase selection is at its most abundant in June, and these are among the highest value items in the entire store for anyone who cares about how their outdoor space looks and feels during the best months of the year for actually using it. Here is the full range of what a simple glass cylinder vase from Dollar Tree does in a summer garden context. Drop battery-operated fairy lights inside and set them along your patio edge for instant warm ambient lighting that costs $2 per light source. Fill them with water and float a single flower head cut from your garden for a table centerpiece that looks like something from a catered event. Use them as lantern vessels by placing a tea light inside and grouping 3 together at different heights for that clustered lighting effect that makes outdoor dining feel genuinely special. Partially bury them in a garden border with the neck up to create an unusual and beautiful edging detail that catches light differently throughout the day. The glass quality at Dollar Tree is honest about what it is, but in outdoor lighting applications, that honesty barely matters because the glow diffused through glass at dusk looks the same whether the glass cost $1 or $40. Buy more than you think you need. Grouped and clustered, these create an effect that individual pieces can only hint at. Hey, quick pause here, because the second half of this list has some of the most specific and time-sensitive picks on here. And June, specifically, is when these items are worth moving on quickly. If Nature Nest TV has been saving you money and giving you ideas you can actually use, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps more people find this channel and find these monthly buying guides. Subscribe if you are not already part of this community, because we do this every single month, and knowing what to buy before everyone else clears the shelves is genuinely valuable. Drop a comment below telling me which item you are heading to Dollar Tree for first. All right, back into it. Item number 7, spray paint and metallic finishes. Dollar Tree's craft and DIY section stocks spray paint and metallic finishes in volume heading into summer. And June is when you want to be buying these, because your outdoor projects have the drying conditions they need right now. Warm temperatures, low humidity, and long dry days mean spray paint cures properly, bonds correctly, and dries to a finish that will actually last through the outdoor season rather than peeling and bubbling within weeks the way paint applied in poor conditions tends to. Here is what 1 can of metallic copper or matte charcoal spray paint from Dollar Tree does to ordinary terracotta pots, cinder blocks being used as patio shelving, wooden elements in your garden, or the concrete edging along your beds. It transforms them from materials into design decisions. The paint does not need to be expensive to do this. It needs to be the right color applied correctly under the right conditions. June gives you those conditions reliably every single day. Buy several cans in your chosen palette right now and spend a weekend morning working through every element in your outdoor space that would benefit from a unified finish. The cumulative effect of one consistent color applied across multiple elements is a patio that looks coordinated and considered rather than assembled from whatever was available. Item number 8. Command hooks and adhesive strips. Outdoor-rated command hooks and heavy-duty adhesive strips from Dollar Tree are one of those purchases where the limiting factor is never whether you need them. It is whether you have them available when the need arises. And the need arises constantly throughout the summer garden season in ways that are almost impossible to anticipate in advance. Hanging a new string of lights along your fence line. Command hook. Mounting a small planter to a patio wall without drilling. Command hook. Organizing tools in your shed so that everything has a visible designated spot and you stop wasting time searching for things you own. Command hooks across every available wall surface, sized appropriately to what hangs from them. Here is the organizational reality that most gardeners resist acknowledging until they fix it. A disorganized tool storage situation costs you time every single day of the gardening season. Every minute spent searching for a trowel or untangling twine or moving 3 things to reach the one thing you actually need is a minute not spent gardening. Command hooks bought cheaply at Dollar Tree and installed in one organized session pay back that investment in saved time within the first week of the season. Item number 9. Microfiber cloths and cleaning supplies. June is when your outdoor furniture, your pots, your patio surfaces, and your garden tools accumulate the first full season of dirt, watermarks, pollen, and general outdoor grime, and doing something about that now, rather than at the end of summer, means your space looks its best during the months when you actually want to be outside using it. Dollar Tree's microfiber cloths come in multi-packs at extraordinary value, and they do everything that specialty outdoor cleaning products claim to do for a fraction of the cost. Wipe down outdoor furniture cushions, clean the glass faces of your solar lights so they charge and glow at full capacity, polish pots and containers so the surfaces look cared for rather than neglected, wipe tools clean after use so they last longer and feel better to work with. Here is the detail about clean tools and clean containers that most people underestimate. A well-maintained tool feels better to use, which means you use it more, which means your garden is better maintained. A clean pot looks more intentional than a dirty one, regardless of what grows in it. Maintenance is invisible when it is done consistently, and the absence of it is visible immediately. Microfiber cloths from Dollar Tree make the consistent maintenance so cheap and easy that there is no longer any reasonable excuse for skipping it. Item number 10. The Forever Buy. Seed packets and propagation supplies. Dollar Tree carries seed packets throughout the growing season, and June is a specific and important window for buying certain ones that most gardeners either overlook entirely or think about too late to act on in time. Fast-maturing warm season varieties planted now still have enough season ahead of them to produce a meaningful harvest before the days shorten and temperatures drop. Radishes, bush beans, summer squash, and fast-maturing salad greens planted in June reach harvest before the end of summer reliably in most growing zones. Flower seeds for late summer and autumn bloom planted now give you color in the garden during the months when early season plantings are fading and the space needs something new. But here is the buy within this buy that matters most and that most people miss entirely. Propagation supplies, small pots, seed trays, whatever Dollar Tree carries in their garden section right now, bought in volume in June when they are fully stocked, give you the infrastructure for taking cuttings from your best performing summer plants to overwinter indoors or share with other gardeners. The plants you propagate from your own garden cost you nothing. The supplies to do it cost you almost nothing at Dollar Tree. And the result is that next season you start with more plants, better plants, plants you already know perform well in your specific conditions for a total investment of time and one trip to Dollar Tree in June while the shelves still have everything you need. So there you have it. 10 things genuinely worth buying at Dollar Tree right now in June 2026. Solar lights at their peak performance window. Outdoor tablecloths for uses nobody else is thinking of. Mesh bags before the summer harvest arrives. Foam tiles before your knees remind you they exist. Consumable supplies in the quantity you actually need. Glass vases for outdoor lighting that costs almost nothing. Spray paint applied in perfect curing conditions. Command hooks for the organization system your shed has needed all season. Microfiber cloths for the maintenance that makes everything look intentional. And seeds and propagation supplies before the best of the season window closes. Here's what I want you to take away from today. Dollar Tree is not the same store every month. The value is not static. It rotates with the season, and the people who know what to look for in which month consistently get more out of every visit than the people who wander in without a list. You now have a list. Use it before June is over and the window on several of these moves to something else entirely. Hit that like button if this saved you money today, and subscribe to Nature Nest TV so you get next month's list the moment it drops. We do this every single month, and knowing what to buy before everyone else figures it out is exactly the kind of information this channel exists to give you. Now go hit that Dollar Tree before the shelves shift. I will see you in the next one.